Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to another wonderful and amazing recipe. In this video today, I'm going to share with you how to return a course that was done with Poppet back to the sender. Okay, a lot of people, their life has been manipulated using a puppet. A lot of people, the problem they are having today is because their enemy used a puppet that is representing them to torment them, to manipulate their life, to put spiritual sickness on them. Okay, I have seen somebody that has gone to hospital that was sick and the doctors could not be able to detect anything, but this person is seriously sick, this person is dying. Okay, the enemy is using a puppet to afflict that person with sickness. Okay, there are some people out there who are having heart pain, heart attack, different type of sickness on their body. Okay, when they go to the hospital, they cannot be able to see anything. They cannot be able to detect anything. But you will be suffering from that pain. Even when they give you medication, it will seem as if the medication is working for a day or two. After that, the pain will start again. And when it comes again, it will come, with seriousness. Okay? These are the things that can be done by your enemy using a puppet. That puppet, they are going to write your name on that puppet. They are going to make that puppet represent you in person so they can be able to use it to control your life. Okay, they can use it to scatter your marriage, they can use it to scatter your relationship, they can use it to do a lot of things to you once the puppet is representing you. When they break the puppet's hand or leg, you may have an accident when you are traveling. That is how these things work. Okay, they will program it in a way that it will represent you. They will put anything that has to do with you on that puppet so that when they control that puppet any way they like, it will be affecting your life. There are people that are going through this problem, they are under this cause. Okay, the enemy is using a puppet to control their life. This video I'm going to share with you how you can, return back to sender whatever they are doing with that puppet. Okay, using a piece of paper. I often tell people that life is spiritual and it is spiritually that control the physical. A lot of people that you see and that are dying today, that are sick today, that are going through problems today, that are having different type of road accident, is because of the enemy that is manipulating their life, that is working against them. Okay, yes. So make sure that you're going to watch this video to the end. My name is Gideon. In case if you're seeing me for the first time, I share spirituality here in this channel, and I'm saying a very big welcome to you. Right? All I want from you is to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you like my teaching, and I promise you, you are not going to regret subscribing. If you have any question that you want to ask, you are confused about any of my video, use the comment section. Okay, I will explain it more better for you. Okay, I'll explain it more better. And please don't make the mistake of taking any spiritual recipe I share here for granted, because there is a reason for that. Okay, anyone that is related to what you are passing through, try and do it with faith, believe, and you will see that God will remember you, will give your own testimony. Okay, so if you are going through course in your life, if you notice that your life is not moving well, or you're having a type of sickness that when you go to hospital, they cannot be able to detect it. When you take medication, it seems as if it is going, but it comes back in full. This recipe is something that you should do to reverse wherever they are using a puppet to control your life, because you may not be aware of this. You may not know that somebody or something somewhere is using an image that represents you to control your life. Okay, it can be the woman you marry, it can be the husband you marry, it can be anybody. They can use image that represents you to control your life. Okay, you'll be acting in a strange way, you'll be acting in a strange manner. Okay, so what you need to do is to get a piece of paper. Now, this spiritual assignment, you are going to do it anytime, but you need to believe, you need to have faith. Okay, that after doing this recipe, that you'll be free from whatever thing that the enemy, the evil ones, is using to control your life. Yes. So what you need to do is to get me a piece of paper. Okay. When you get a piece of paper, you are going to write your name. Okay. Now, after writing your name, you write the strange things that you are experiencing in your life. Those strange things that are happening in your life. If it is sickness, if it is financial, stagnation, if it is barrenness, Okay, you write it down on the white piece of paper. All those things that you are, experiencing, all those strange things that are happening in your life, make sure that you put it down on the white piece of paper. Use a blue marker or a blue pen to write it down on a piece of paper. A lot of people may not understand it. This is something that is spiritual, not physical. Okay, yes, a carnal person will not understand this. Just write down all the things that you are going through. Okay, write it down on a piece of paper, then write your name. Now, after writing it down, get me this item called alligator pepper. I often make use of this alligator pepper on my videos because this item is very powerful. This item does not go out and return back without accomplishing the mission which it was sent to. That is the work of this item. So if you want your work to be fast and you want to see the results, make sure that you always use this item. It's very, very important. Okay, so when you get this item, you are going to open it from your behind. If you're using it for the first time, you open it from your behind, then you bring out 7 seed. Now that 7 seed, you are going to pray, tell the universe, tell God that anybody, anywhere, they are using an image that represents you to control your life, to manipulate your life. But as you are carrying this spiritual assignment today, you are returning it back to sender. Whatever their plan is, whatever their agenda is, whatever their mission is, let it fall back to them, whoever it is. Okay, after saying all those, your prayer with the 7 seed of this alligator pepper, you are going to put it inside that white pepper. Okay, let me show you so that you will see. Okay, you put it inside that pepper, that white piece of paper. Okay, put it inside that white piece of paper. I don't know if you can see this very well. Okay, the light is too bright. Okay, you put it inside that white piece of paper. Now when you put it inside that white piece of paper, you are going to fold it. Okay, you fold that white piece of paper, fold it very well. Okay, and you burn that white piece of paper. You can burn the white piece of paper using anything container that can be used to burn something. Okay, when you burn that white piece of paper, make sure that you burn the seed of that alligator pepper. Make sure everything burns to ashes. Okay, you are going to burn it to ashes. Okay, after burning it to ashes, pick that ashes and say a word again, that today you are returning it back to sender, to whoever it is, whatever it is that they have been using to control your life, to have been using to, manipulate your life. You are returning it back to sender, from the east, from the west, from the north and the south. You blow that ashes of that piece of paper and the alligator pepper that you have burnt. Okay, after blowing it up to the air, the next thing that you need to do is to get this Holy Michael perfume. Okay, you need to get this perfume, Holy Michael perfume. Now this perfume, now you are going to be using it to bathe yourself. That's for protection, so that they will not be able to get to you again after doing the work. Okay, so that they will not be able to get to you again, so that they will not be able to have access into your life again. So you are going to be using this Holy Michael perfume to bathe yourself morning and night. When you want to bathe, take a little of it. You can take it on the cover like this. Just take it on the cover like this. Okay, and add inside your bathing water. Okay, add it inside your bathing water and pray over your life that today you are giving yourself a powerful protection using Holy Michael. That anybody that is sending any evil arrow, evil plans, evil agenda towards your life, that you are protected using this. Okay, let the universe, let God Almighty guide and protect you. We make a prayer and use this item to bathe yourself morning and night. Okay, once you have finished doing this, you will see that your life will start changing. Whoever that is using a puppet to manipulate your life, whoever that is using a puppet to manipulate your marriage, whoever that is using a puppet to manipulate your finance, to manipulate your health, these things will be destroyed. Okay, it will be returned back to sender. I've seen a lot of people. When I mean people, I've seen people suffering because the enemy used a puppet to control their life, especially in the area of sickness, okay, and accident. So make sure that you do this recipe anytime and do it properly. Believe and pray. You will see that your life will never remain the same. Things will change for you. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys in this video today. Okay, yes, if you enjoy this video, just say whatever you want to say on the comment section, but make sure that you do this assignment. If you enjoy this video, you can say thank you, you can say I enjoy it, whatever you want to say, just use the comment section and drop it there, right? Do this recipe and you will never regret. Okay, and if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe, okay, to this channel. I'll be dropping more tips that will help you to not be a victim to whatever evil plan the enemy have against you. Okay, and if you want to talk to me directly, my number is on the screen. Okay, chat me up on WhatsApp if you want to talk to me directly. Make sure that you do this recipe. It's very, very important. I've seen a lot of women that have not been able to give birth today because of that puppet. A lot of things are happening. Okay, people are using evil people, not any bad people. Evil people are using that puppet to destroy people's life. So do this recipe and you will never regret. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.